Are you in a Webex meeting right now with no audio? Don't panic. Here is how to fix it in under 5 minutes. We will start with the quickest fixes inside the meeting, then move to more advanced steps if needed. So you are sitting in that important call, and suddenly you cannot hear anyone, or they cannot hear you. The first thing to do is stay right inside the meeting window. Look for the unmute button and click the tiny arrow next to it. This opens up your audio options directly without leaving the call. Now, verify your output device. Under the speaker section, make sure the correct speaker or headphones are selected. If you have a headset plugged in but your computer built-in speakers are showing, that is why you hear nothing. Click the right one. Next, check your input device. Under microphone, confirm the correct microphone is selected. This is a common culprit. If your laptop has 2 mics or you have an external one, the wrong one can get picked up. If the wrong device is showing, just choose the correct audio device from the drop-down list. Simple fix, but it solves the problem more often than you would think. Still having issues? Click Audio Settings to open the full audio panel. In my experience troubleshooting this, the test feature here is your best friend. You can play a test tone to confirm your speakers are working and speak to verify your mic picks up your voice. This takes just a few seconds and tells you exactly where the break is. All right, so if that test fails, now we get a little more aggressive. Click Switch Audio and then reconnect your computer audio. This forces Webex to refresh its connection to your hardware. It is like giving the audio system a gentle reset without leaving the meeting. And here is the really important part. Do not forget the physical checks. Make sure your computer volume is not muted and that your headset or speakers are properly plugged in. I have seen so many people chase software bugs only to realize their cable was loose or they accidentally hit the mute button on their keyboard. If the problem continues, your next move is to leave the meeting and join again. It sounds almost too simple, but rejoining forces a fresh audio handshake with the server. I have tested this method countless times, and it works. If that still does not do it, and we have exhausted all the quick fixes, restart the Webex app. Fully close it and open it again. If the audio still is not working, restart your computer. I know that feels like a nuclear option, but in my professional experience, this clears out any lingering driver conflicts or background processes that mess with your audio. It is the last resort, but it almost always works. So from being unable to hear or be heard to confidently resolving your audio issues, you now know exactly how to handle it. That is how you fix the no audio problem in Cisco Webex.